Hello everybody, my name is Joern from Brabus and I have the pleasure to introduce you to the Brabus Crawler, our new professional off-road tool, a brand new car from us. First time that we also develop a complete chassis, and that is the point. I started with the main point with the tube frame chassis. What you find here, you have basically, you can see the different tubes, what is till down the suspension, the heart and the main chassis of this car. The Brabus Crawler, we name it as a professional off-road tool, is a not street legal off-road supercar. So it is purely developed to drive it in desert, in rocks conditions, so really hardcore off-road driving. It's only reduced on that, so it's also minimized regarding comfort, so pure driving performance in off-road. As I said before, we have the tube frame chassis, we have a complete pre-packed carbon fiber bodywork. What is also complete new developed for the Brabus Crawler. And it covers some areas of the tube frame chassis. We have no windows, so you're really sitting free in the car. You can have the complete feeling for the speed, for your environmental, for the desert, for example, when you drive it in the desert. Drivetrain, because we see here the exhaust. It is our 4.5 liter rocket engine, V8 biturbo engine, an engine what you know from the Brabus Rocket and the Brabus G900 Rocket Edition. So well-known engine. It's 900 horsepower. It's 1,250 Newton meters, which is quite a lot for this kind of car. The axle, front and rear, is a portal axle system, what you basically know from the Brabus XLP. So it is a specific developed portal axle, independent suspension on the front, a solid axle system on the rear. We have a little bit different wheel and tire combination on this car, comparing to the XLP. It's a much higher diameter, bigger diameter. As you can see here, it's really one of the biggest tires what we ever put on the car. The rim is a 20-inch rim, and the tire is really a massive, big one, off-road tire, especially for dune driving in the desert. So specific for this. It's a complete drivetrain. It's a 9-speed automatic transmission, but you can drive it in manual mode. You have a lockable differential, center, rear and front. So really the possibility to use it on off-road condition. We carry always a big spare wheel, and also you see how huge it is. Spare wheel here. What you need. What you nicely can see here, because it's really good visible, is a 4-way adjustable, independent adjustable damper system. So it is bump, rebound, high speed, low speed, complete adjustable. It's 13 clicks. So really a high value of ranges. You can adjust the damping for the different off-road driving condition. Yeah, what else I can say? 100 liter fuel tank, so you have some range. Yeah, what is important, and as you can see, a lot of carbon fiber, pure carbon fiber. Anyway, the customers can decide if they choose pure carbon fiber or they want to have it paint in a specific color, and also the customer can choose the color of the tube frame and also suspension part. So you have also the possibilities to bring your own idea regarding color combination and to that. Okay, let us go for a ride. Fire it up. So we go not so fast, so that you have an idea a little bit that we can describe how it feels. The guys give you a lot of feedback in driving conditions. Engine is our 4.4 liter V8, 900 horsepower. We have a 9-speed automatic transmission, what is usable in a manual mode. We have the differentials, what you can lock, center, rear and front. So very focused on the driving. Also the surrounding with the interior, you have the sport seats, the 4-point harness that you strap you really in the car. And I think we go now for a ride. You will not hear so much from my talking, so I stop talking and we'll go for it. Huh?